unprofessional. His demeanor does not have the je ne sais quoi, the decorum befitting a congressman. But so does 75% of those in Congress. But if he is to be suspended, and I believe that, if the Congress deemed him to be needing suspension, I don't care. All I want is that I move that we set the same standard all across the board, lalo na sa mga open secrets at tinatagong lihim. Sooner or later, at least 75% dyan sa Kongreso ang mawawala. This is not a pro-Barsaga, nor is it pro-suspension. Pero ito sinasabi ko, this is not a pro-suspension, like fuck him. Pero also this is not, pro-Barsaga. Kasi kung titignan natin, yung mga pinagsasabi ni Barsaga, yung mga posts niya with the women's legs around his body, like, yes, he is definitely deserving of suspension kasi nga, he's a fucking weeb. He's a fucking gooner. Pero, is that really the most unethical thing? Kasi ilang beses pa lang ba nasa-censure o na sususpende ang isang kongresista despite the scandal-ridden House of Representatives and even Senate? Bihira, and even rarer than a blue moon. He probably deserved the suspension. He is childish, he is unprofessional, wala siyang je ne sais quoi, as I said earlier. Pero I move that we set the same standard all across the board, lalo na sa mga open secrets dyan sa House of Representatives at yung mga tinatagong lihim. Kasi sooner or later, kapag lahat ng yan na-filean natin ng suspension, sooner